Step 1, it's Monday. Step 2, your wake up. Step 3, go to bathroom. After taking a bath. Step 4, take a breakfast with your family. Step 5, go to school. Step 6, meet with your friend while on the way to school.
Hello bro. Oh, hi. How are you today? As usual.
Step 7, you saw a convoy of military vehicle.
Why are they in such a hurry? I don't know. Let's go, I don't want to go late.
Step 8, don't waste your time. Step 9, you arrived school with your friend. Step 10, enter your classroom. Step 11, sit down.
It's time to begin the first lesson.
Okay class, now we will learn about biologic, open chapter 2 reproduction. Hehehe, my favorite lesson.
1 hours later.
All lessons have ended for today. See you tomorrow morning with a new learning spirit. Take care on the way home and have a nice
End lesson
day.
bell. It's 8:30 and class will end 12:00. I have never heard this school bell before. Something is wrong. Guys, I think y'all should saw this. What the? Wait, where's Professor? It's no time for this, we should save our life. Everybody, run.
Step 12, run.
Wait.
Step 13, don't look back. Step 14, keep running. Step 15, go to home.
Step 16, go to bedroom and lock the door.
What the hell is that?